Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Telegram Translate if it's not working. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to the top left and tap on the three horizontal lines. Now tap on settings. In here, scroll down and find language. Okay. Tap on it and make sure that show translate button is turned on. Okay. If you want to enable translate entire chats, well, this one will cost you. Okay. As you can see here, you need the Telegram Premium for this, which is $4 a month. Okay, if you want that, you gotta use that. Now make sure under Do Not Translate, if you have mistakenly added some language in here, make sure to remove it. Okay, for example, this one, make sure to untick it. Okay, now once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, you have an option here. Just go ahead over to your favorite browser. Okay. Now just go to the URL box and type in web.telegram.org. Okay, hit on enter. And then in here, all you need to do is just log in with your phone number and select, of course, the country. And once you're logged in, you can now go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three dots, and then just hit on translate. Okay, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.